Recently just added an extra $230,000 to a plumbing business, all within 30 days of using our system. And we did it by not having to rely on any sort of referrals, word of mouth, or third-party vendors such as your Angie's List, your Thumbtack, and your Yelp. All the leads that we generated for our client were specifically homeowners calling them directly that turned into new customers. So let me show you exactly how our system works so that you can implement the same exact system into your own home service or plumbing business so that you can start dominating on Google as well. Why should you listen to me? My name is Jordan. As you can see here in my Google Ads dashboard, we have managed over $18 million in ad spend, and we've generated over 60,000 phone calls for home service businesses all throughout the US, and we also have clients outside of the country as well. So what that means for you is that we have a ton of data on what's working and what's not working so that you can skip the learning curve and go straight into generating results for your business. And as always, if you want our marketing agency to literally install the system in for you and manage the ads for you, or if you're someone who wants to take this in-house, learn it yourself so that you understand the dashboard so that you don't have to rely on another marketing company or person, then we have both options for you. We have our marketing services as well as our coaching program. Both of those links are going to be in the description below, and you can book a call with us to see which one is the better fit for you. Now, before I dive into our full system, you can hear the results from the owner himself.
We've had some great experience with you guys the last month. Out of those 80 something calls, we converted almost 200,000. So
what are you guys seeing on your end? I know that you're saying you got call volume and the revenue. Can you kind of talk to me more about that?
We've been seeing a lot of drain calls, obviously in total. Every single one of them that has called us, they sell, right? When they call us off that campaign, they all close.
So that was Nathan from Drains Garden. Now he is in a pretty competitive area. He's out in like the San Francisco area, which is a pretty competitive area. So let me dive with you deep full into how our system is generating extra $230,000 within the first 30 days of working with us. All right. So it's no secret that we are a Google marketing agency. So we get all of our leads from Google. Okay. So this is where we dominate our leads. So what Google does for us is that we typically get our plumbing job calls from this. And in this case, we're mainly focused on the drain calls, which kind of gets our foot in the door with new customers. Okay. So now from here, Google is going to produce us new drain leads or new customers. And the great thing about our leads is that we have the highest intent leads that come from Google, so they're most likely to turn into new customers for your business. So from the drain leads, we're able to upsell into some sort of high ticket service. Okay, so I'm gonna put HTS for high ticket service. Now, high ticket service is gonna be anywhere between your sewer replacements, your repairs, your repipes, your remodels, those type of jobs that's gonna generate anywhere between $5,000 minimum all the way up to $40,000 jobs. Now, specifically for this client, we were able to generate him about 80 calls, and out of the 80 calls, he was able to upsell 12 of those into a high ticket service. Okay, and that's going to range anywhere between 5K all the way up to 40K for those jobs. And so our average here is a 15% average upsell rate, okay, which falls in line with what our upsell rate for across our clients. Typically, you're gonna see about 15 to 25%, all the way up to 30% on the upsell rate. So this falls in line with exactly where we're at with our numbers, okay? So 15% is our average upsell rate, and that's gonna get you your $5,000 to $40,000 job. In the behind the scenes of stuff here, what we're doing is, but even if we are not upselling, let's say there is no upsell, right? And so if we're not upselling, the worst case that we're doing is we are getting, number one, a recurring customer. And number two, we are focused on getting 5-star reviews. Okay. So as you can see here, it's a win-win situation for your business when you are generating high quality leads that actually turn into customers for your business, because number one, you're either upselling into some sort of higher ticket services, or number two, worst case scenario, they call you back, they refer you new customers, and I would say, they write you a 5-star review on your Google business. And what that's going to do is that it's going to help you build a long-term business, okay? because the more reviews that you gather on your business, the more leads, the more customers you're going to generate organically without having to rely on a paid platform. So now you can get, paid leads from both your paid source, or not paid leads, but you can get leads both from your paid platforms as well as your organics. So it kind of works hand in hand as far as you're building your business long term, and you can accelerate this by running paid ads with a system that's already working. So if you're not upselling, that is what we are doing. Now, this client mentioned that he is closing and booking about 95%. Okay, so he has an extremely high book and close rate. All right. And he's able to do this through an AI system that I'm going to share with you, right? So a lot of, businesses that I've worked with, they'll miss a lot of calls, leads not calling them back. And so their booking rate, their close rate suffers from this, right? And you're not closing as much of the leads that you should be able to do. So what we're putting in place is we have an AI system that recovers missed leads. And this is so important because, I get it, you're out in the field, you're not able to answer every single phone call. Even sometimes the dispatchers or CSMs, leads are calling in, they say that they're gonna call back. So what we have is, if you're missing calls, we're able to recover those missed leads. We're able to have a lead nurture system as well with our AI, because anytime a lead calls in, based off of that conversation, our AI can actually identify what that conversation was about. Were they gonna call back? Were they booking? And so we are able to send follow-up emails and text messages. And so this alone is what helped our client achieve a 95%. He's saying he's doing a lot higher than that. He's pretty much booking and closing pretty much almost every single lead that's coming in. And so, along with the AI system that we have in place, he got to give credit to him as well. He has a really, really good team of techs that are going out there and making sure that they're selling and upselling, and they have a good dispatching team and stuff in place. Okay, so that's not to say that you still need to have a good solid foundation of a team, but the AI system helps you gets you to that point. Okay, so if you are unable to answer every single phone call, or you're missing calls, or you're not following up and nurturing these leads that are calling in, you're essentially wasting money. And so in order for us to fix that, we need to have a system in place, which we can now do with AI, to recover those missed calls, recover those leads that said that they're going to call back and maybe they didn't, and maybe they forgot. And so this all is going to help you increase your book rate, increase your close rate, and put more revenue that was lost, that would have been lost, back into your business. And so basically the final results and the numbers are in. So this specific client spent close to about 14,000 in ad spend with us, and he made back approximately $230,000 back in revenue, which is amazing. Now just think about it, right? I mean, not only obviously we're really profitable here, but we essentially got $230,000 worth of new customers coming into your business. So we needed to, aside from being the profitable part here, we are literally getting new customers into your ecosystem, into your business, people that now see your brand, your vans, your trucks coming around. And these are all new customers that are going to be calling you back. And on top of that, this comes out to be a 16x ROI. As you can see here, we spent $14,000 and we made back $230,000 in revenue, got a 16x ROI, all within 30 days. So that is amazing. And as you can see, plenty more case studies on my YouTube channel. You can check all those systems, how our system is working for our exact home service-based business clients. So as always, if you want me and my team to implement the same system into your business, then book a call. The link is going to be in the description below. And if, like I said, if you want to learn this yourself so that you don't have to rely on hiring a marketing person or marketing agency, then check out my coaching program. We literally walk you through on how to set up your your own lead generation system so that you can start generating your own phone calls and understanding the dashboards without relying on anybody else. If this video was helpful whatsoever to you, drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you want to learn more Google hacks to grow your home service-based business. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.